How to add email hyperlink in PDF without Adobe Acrobat. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. So guys, here we are. This is first we need to open the browser. So I have opened my browser and we need to search for PDF editor in search engine like Google. So here you can see lots of tools. So I'm using this one, which is very useful to edit or uh, edit your PDF file. So just come here and just upload that file to your uh, just select that file and just open and upload. Then it will upload. Now we need to select the link. Just click that link options. Now we need to select that text where you want to insert the link. Then the another pop-up window will become here. Now we need to select this link to email address for email links. Now just tap your email address here, just go back to insert email. Okay, the email link has been inserted, and you can also highlight these particular words or text to know people that this word is clickable. Okay, so you can highlights or underline, so you can highlight with the blue, underline with the blue. Okay, so people can click on this clickable text. Okay, after that you need to just apply the changes. The changes will be applied. Now just download that file and you can see this text is clickable and people can directly email from here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.